Today I am going to talk about biosynthesis of nucleic acids. First one, introduction. The metabolic requirements for the nucleotide and their cognate bases can be met by both dietary intake and synthesis de novo from low molecular weight precursors. Indeed, the ability to salvage nucleotides from source within the body alleviates any nutritional requirement for nucleotide. Thus, the purine and pyrimidine bases are not required in the diet. The salvage pathway are the major source of nucleotide for synthesis of DNA, RNA and enzymes cofactor. The biosynthesis of purine and pyrimidine is stringently regulated and coordinated by feedback mechanisms that ensure their production in quantities and at times appropriate to varying physiological demand. Genetic diseases of purine metabolism include gout, Lesch-Nyhan syndrome, adenosine deaminase deficiency and purine nucleoside phosphorylase deficiency. By contrast, apart from the orotic acidureas, there are a few clinically significant disorders of pyrimidine catabolism. The objective of the module is to understand the nucleic acid biosynthesis, to study purine metabolism, to understand de novo pathway, to revise pyrimidine biosynthesis. Nucleoside biosynthesis. Nucleotides consist of a nitrogenous base, a pentose and a phosphate. The pentose sugar is D-ribose in ribonucleotide of RNA, while in deoxyribonucleotide of DNA, the sugar is 2-deoxy-D-ribose. Nucleotide participate in almost all the biochemical process either directly or indirectly. They are the structural component of nucleic acids, that is DNA, RNA, coenzymes, and are involved in the regulation of several metabolic reactions. The de novo pathway for purine and pyrimidine biosynthesis appears to be nearly identical in all living organisms. Notably, the pre-bases guanine, adenine, thymine, cytidine and uracil are not intermediates in this pathway. That is, the bases are not synthesized and then attacked to ribose as might be expected. The purine ring structure is built up with one or few atoms at a time attached to ribose throughout the process. The pyrimidine ring is synthesized as orotate attached to ribose phosphate and then pyrimidine nucleotide requires in nucleic acid synthesis. Although the pre-bases are not intermediate in the de novo pathway, they are intermediates in some of the salvage pathways. Purine and pyrimidines are dietarily non-essential. Human tissues can synthesize purine and pyrimidines from amphibilic intermediates. Injected nucleic acids and nucleotide, which therefore are dietarily non-essential, are degraded in the intestinal tract to mononucleotide, which may be absorbed or converted to purine and pyrimidine bases. The purine bases are then oxidized to uric acid, which may be absorbed and excreted in the urine, while little or no dietary purine or pyrimidine is incorporated into tissue nucleic acids. Injected compounds are incorporated. The incorporation of injected H3 thymidine into newly synthesized DNA thus is used to measure the rate of DNA synthesis. First one, biosynthesis of purine. Purine and pyrimidine nucleotide are synthesized in vivo at rates consistent with physiological need. Intracellular mechanisms sense and regulate the pool size of nucleotide triphosphates, that is NTPs, which is rise during growth or tissue regeneration when cells are rapidly dividing. Early investigations of nucleotide biosynthesis employed birds and later ones used E. coli. Isotopic precursors fed to pigeons established the source of each atom of purine base and initiated study of the intermediate of purine biosynthesis. Antifolate drugs or glutamine analogues block purine nucleotide biosynthesis. The carbons added in reactions are contributed by derivative of tetrahydrofolate. Purine deficiency state, which are rare in humans, generally reflect a deficiency of folic acid. Compounds that inhibit the formation of tetrahydrofoletes and therefore block purine synthesis and have been used in cancer chemotherapy. Inhibitory compounds and the reactions that inhibit include azathioprine, diazoleucine, 6-mercaptopurine and mycophenolic acid. Many compounds contribute to the purine ring of the nucleotide. N1 of purine is derived from amino group of aspartate. C2 and CS arise from formate of N-tel-formamyl tetrahydrofolate. N3 and N9 are obtained from amide group of glutamine. C4, C5 and N7 are contributed by glycine. C6 directly comes from carbon dioxide, source of nitrogen and carbon atoms of the purine ring. The figure shows the source of nitrogen and carbon atoms of the purine ring. It should be remembered that purine base are not synthesized as such, but they are formed as ribonucleotides. The purines are built upon a pre-existing ribose 5-phosphate. Liver is the major site for purine nucleotide synthesis. Erythrocytes, polymorphonuclear leukocytes and brain cannot produce purine. 3 processes contribute to purine nucleotide biosynthesis. They are: number 1, synthesis from amphibilic intermediate; number 2, phosphorybylation of purine; and 3, phosphorylation of purine nucleoside. AMP and GMP feedback regulate phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate glutamyl aminotransferases. Since biosynthesis of inosine monophosphate consumes glycine, glutamine, tetrahydrofolate derivative, aspartate and ATPs, it is advantageous to regulate purine biosynthesis. The major determinant of the rate of de novo purine nucleotide biosynthesis is the concentration of PRPP, whose pool size depends on its rate of synthesis, utilization and degradation. The rate of PRPP synthesis depends on the availability of ribose 5-phosphate and of the activity of PRPP synthase, an enzyme sensitive to beatback inhibition by AMP, ADP, GMP and GDP. AMP and GMP feedback regulate their formation from IMP. The figure illustrates the metabolic pathway for the synthesis of inosine monophosphate, the parent nucleotide. PRP, phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate. 2 mechanisms regulate conversion of IMP to GMP and AMP. AMP and GMP feedback inhibit adenylate succinate synthase and IMP dehydrogenase respectively. Furthermore, conversion of IMP to adenyl succinate en route to AMP requires GTP and to GMP requires ATP. This cross regulation between the pathways of IMP metabolism that serves to decrease synthesis of one purine nucleotide when there is a deficiency of other nucleotide. AMP and GMP also inhibit hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase, which converts hypoxanthine and guanine to IMP and GMP feedback inhibits PRPP glutamyl aminotransferase. The metabolic pathway for the synthesis of inosine monophosphate, the PRP phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate. First one, the reactions. Ribose 5-phosphate produced in the exose monophosphate shunt of carbohydrate metabolism is the starting material for purine nucleotide synthesis. It reacts with ATP to form phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate. Glutamine transfers its amide nitrogen to PRP to replace pyrophosphate and produce 5-phosphoribosamine. The enzyme PRPP glutamyl aminotransferase is controlled by feedback inhibition of nucleotide. This reaction is committed step in purine nucleotide biosynthesis. Phosphoribosylamine reacts with glycine in the presence of ATP to form glycinamide ribosyl 5-phosphate or glycinamide ribotide. N-10-formyl tetrahydrofolate donates the formamyl group and the product formed is formamyl glycinamide ribosyl 5-phosphate. The glutamine transfers the second amino group to produce formamyl glycinamide ribosyl 5-phosphate. The imidazole ring of the purine is closed in an ATP dependent reaction to yield 5-amino-imidazole ribosyl S-phosphate. Incorporation of carbon dioxide occurs to yield amino imidazole carboxylate ribosyl 5-phosphate. This reaction does not require the vitamin biotin and or ATP, which in the case with most of the carboxylation reaction. Aspartate condenses with the product in reaction 7 to form amido-imidazole 4-succinyl carboxamide ribosyl 5-phosphate. Adenosuccinate lyase cleaves the fumarate and only the amino group of aspartate is retained to yield amino-imidazole 4-carboxamide ribosyl 5-phosphate. N10-formamyl tetrahydrofolate donates a 1-carbon moiety to produce formamino-imidazole 5-carboxide ribosyl 5-phosphate. With this reaction, all the carbon and nitrogen atoms of purine ring are contributed by the respective sources. The final reactions catalyzed by cyclohydrolase leads to ring closure with elimination of water molecule. The product obtained is inosine monophosphate. The parent purine nucleotide from which other purine nucleotide can be synthesized. Reduction of ribonucleoside diphosphate forms deoxyribonucleotide diphosphate. Reduction of the 2-hydroxyl of purine and pyrimidine ribonucleotide catalyzed by ribonucleotide reductase complex forms deoxyribonucleoside diphosphates. The enzyme complex is active only when cells are actively synthesizing DNA. Reduction requires thioredoxin reductase and NADPH. The immediate reductant reduced thioredoxin is produced by NADH thioreductin reductase. Reduction of ribonucleoside diphosphate to deoxyribonucleoside diphosphate is subject to complex regulatory control that achieve balanced production of deoxyribonucleotide for synthesis of DNA. As in tryptophan and histidine biosynthetic pathway, these enzymes of IMP synthesis appear to be organized as large multi-enzyme complex in the cell. Once again, evidence comes from the existence of single polypeptide with several functions, some catalyzing non-sequential step in the pathway. In eukaryotic cells ranging from yeast to fruit flies to chicken are catalyzed by multifunctional protein. An additional multifunctional protein catalyzed step 10 and 11. In bacteria, these activities are found on separate proteins, but large non-covalent complex may exist in this cell. The channeling of reactions intermediate from one enzyme to the next permitted by these complex is probably especially important for unstable intermediate such as phosphoribosylamides. Conversion of inosinate to adenylate requires the insertion of an amino group derived from aspartate. This takes place in two reactions similar to those used to introduce N1 of the purine ring. A crucial difference is that GTP rather than ATP is the source of the high energy phosphate in synthesizing adenylosuccinate. Guanylate is formed by the NAD requiring oxidation of inosinate to C2 carbon followed by addition of an amino group derived from glutamine. ATP is cleaved to AMP and PPA in the final step. Salvage pathway. Free purine, adenine, guanine and hypoxanthine are formed in the normal turnover of nucleic acids, particularly RNA, and also obtained from dietary sources. The purines can be directly converted to corresponding nucleotide, and this process is known as salvage pathway. Conversion of purine ribonucleosides and then deoxyribonucleosides to mononucleotide involves called salvage reactions that require for less energy than de novo synthesis. The more important mechanisms involve phosphorylation by PRPP of a pre-purine to form purine 5-mononucleotide. Purine plus PRPP gives PRP plus PPA. 2 phosphoribosyltransferase transferase then convert adenine to AMP and hypoxanthine and guanine to IMP and or GMP. A second salvage mechanisms involve phosphorylation transfer from ATP to purine ribonucleoside. Purine ribonucleoside plus ATP giving purine nucleotide plus P plus ADP. Adenine phosphoribosyltransferase transferase catalyzes the formation of AMP from adenine Hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyltransferase transferase converts guanine and hypoxanthine respectively to GMP and IMP. Phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate is the donor of ribose biphosphate in the salvage pathway. The figure shows the salvage pathway of purine nucleotide synthesis. The salvage pathway is particularly important in certain tissues such as erythrocytes and brain, where de novo synthesis of purine nucleotide is not operative. Regulation of purine nucleotide biosynthesis. The purine nucleotide synthesis is well coordinated to meet the cellular demands. The intracellular concentration of PRPP regulate purine synthesis to large extent. This in turn is dependent on the availability of ribose S-phosphate and the enzymes PRPP synthetase. PRPP glutamyl aminotransferase is controlled by feedback mechanism by purine nucleotide. That is, if AMP and CMP are available in adequate amount to meet the cellular requirement, their synthesis is turned off at the aminotransferase reaction. Another important stage of regulation is in the conversion of IMP to AMP and GMP. AMP inhibits adenyl succinate synthase while GMP inhibits IMP dehydrogenase. Thus, AMP and GMP control their respective synthesis from IMP by a feedback mechanism. Regulation of deoxyribonucleotide synthesis. It is required for the synthesis of DNA. The activity of the enzyme ribonucleotide reductase maintains the adequate supply of deoxyribonucleotide. Ribonucleotide reductase is a complex enzyme with multiple sites, that is active site and allosteric site, that control the formation of deoxyribonucleotide. Next one, biosynthesis of pyrimidine nucleotide. The catalyst for the initial reactions is cytosolic carbamyl phosphate synthase 2 is difference enzyme from the mitochondrial carbamyl phosphate synthase 1 of urea synthesis. Compartmentation that provides two independent pools of carbamyl phosphate, PRPP, and early participant in purine nucleotide synthesis is a much later participant in pyrimidine biosynthesis. The synthesis of pyrimidine is much similar process compared to that of purine. Aspartate, glutamine and carbon dioxide contribute atoms in the formation of pyrimidine ring. Pyrimidine ring is first synthesized and then attached to ribose biphosphate. This in contrast to purine nucleotide synthesis, wherein purine ring is built upon pre-existing ribose biphosphate. The silent feature, glutamine transfer its amide nitrogen to carbon dioxide to produce carbamyl phosphate. This reaction is ATP dependent and is catalyzed by cytosomal enzyme carbamyl phosphate synthase 2, that is CPS2. CPS2 is activated by ATP and PRPP and inhibited by UTP. Carbamyl phosphate synthase 1 is a mitochondrial enzyme which synthesizes carbamyl phosphate from ammonia and carbon dioxide, in turn urea. Prokaryotes have only one carbamyl phosphate synthetase which is responsible for biosynthesis of arginine and pyrimidine. Carbamyl phosphate condenses with aspartate to form carbamyl aspartate. This reaction is catalyzed by aspartate transcarbamylase. Dihydroorotase catalyzes the pyrimidine ring closure with loss of water. Reactions of pyrimidine biosynthesis. 5 of the first 6 enzyme activate of pyrimidine biosynthesis resides on multifunctional polypeptide. One such polypeptide catalyzes the first 3 reactions and ensure efficient channeling of carbamyl phosphate to pyrimidine biosynthesis. A second bifunctional enzyme catalyzes reactions 5 and 6. Deoxyribonucleoside of uracil and cytosine. While mammalian cells reutilize free pyrimidine, salvage reactions convert the ribonucleoside uridine and cytidine and the deoxyribonucleosides, thymidine and deoxycytidine to their respective nucleotide. ATP dependent phosphoryl transferase catalyze the phosphorylation of the nucleoside diphosphate 2-deoxycytidine, 2-deoxyguanosine and 2-deoxyadenosine to their corresponding nucleoside triphosphate. In addition, orotate phosphoribosyltransferase transferase, an enzyme of pyrimidine nucleotide synthesis, salvage orotic acid by converting into orotidine monophosphate. Reduction of dihydrofolate. The methylene group of N5N10 methylene tetrahydrofolate is reduced to the methyl group that is transferred, and tetrahydrofolate is oxidized to dihydrofolate. For further pyrimidine synthesis to occur, dihydrofolate must be reduced back to tetrahydrofolate. A reaction is catalyzed by dihydrofolate reductase. Dividing cells which must generate TMP and dihydrofolate, thus are especially sensitive to inhibitors of dihydrofolate reductase such as the anti-cancer drug methotrexate. The figure shows the phosphorylation of adenine, hypoxanthine and guanine form AMP, IMP and GMP, reduction of ribonucleoside diphosphate to 2-deoxyribonucleoside diphosphate respectively. Certain pyrimidine analogues are substrate for enzymes of pyrimidine nucleotide biosynthesis. Nucleotide biosynthesis orate phosphoribosyltransferase transferase converts the drug allopyranol to nucleotide in which ribosyl phosphate is attached to N1 pyrimidine ring. The anti-cancer drug 5-fluorouracil is also phosphoribosylated by orotate phosphoribosyltransferase transferase. Pyrimidine nucleotide biosynthesis. Regulation of the rate of pyrimidine nucleotide synthesis in bacteria occurs in large part through aspartate transcarbamylase, which catalyzes the first reaction in the sequence and is inhibited by CTP, the end product of the sequence. The bacterial ATCase molecule consists of 6 catalytic subunit and 6 regulatory subunit. The catalytic subunit binds the substrate molecule and the allosteric subunit binds the allosteric inhibitor CTP. The entire ATPases molecule as well as its subunit exist in 2 conformations, active and inactive. When CTP is not bound to the regulatory subunit, the enzyme is maximally active. As CTP accumulates and binds to the regulatory subunit, they undergo a changes in conformation. This change is transmitted to the catalytic subunit, which also shifts to an inactive conformation. ATP prevents the changes induced by CTP. Synthesis of pyrimidine synthesis is a much simpler process compared to that of purine. Aspartate, glutamate and carbon dioxide contribute to the atoms in the formation of pyrimidine ring. Pyrimidine ring is first synthesized and then attached to ribose 5-phosphate. This in contrast to purine nucleotide synthesis, wherein purine ring is built upon pre-existing ribose 5-phosphate. Glutamine transfer its amido nitrogen to carbon dioxide to produce carbamyl phosphate. This reaction is ATP dependent and is catalyzed by cytosomal enzyme carbamyl phosphate synthase 2. CPS2 is activated by ATP and PRPP and inhibited by UTP. Carbamyl phosphate synthase 1 is a mitochondrial enzyme which synthesizes carbamyl phosphate from ammonia and carbon dioxide. The 3 enzymes carbamyl phosphate synthase 2, aspartate transcarbamylase and dihydroorotase are the domain of the same protein. This is the good example for multifunctional enzyme. The next step is pyrimidine synthesis as an NAD dependent dehydrogenation leading to the formation of orotate. Ribose 5-phosphate is now added to orotate to produce orotidine monophosphate. This reaction is characterized by orotate phosphoribosyltransferase transferase, an enzyme comparable with HGPRT in its function. OMP undergoes decarboxylation to uridine monophosphate. By an ATP dependent kinase reaction, UMP is converted to UDP, which serves as the precursor for synthesis of DUMP, DTMP, UTP and CTP. Ribonucleotide reductase converts UDP to DUDP by thioredoxin dependent reaction. Thymidylate synthase catalyzes the transfer of methyl group from N5N10 methylene tetrahydrofolate to produce deoxythymidine monophosphate. UDP undergoes an ATP dependent kinase reaction to produce UTP. Cytidine triphosphate is synthesized from UTP by amination. CTP synthase is the enzyme and glutamine provides nitrogen. Next one, regulation of pyrimidine nucleotide biosynthesis. The activities of the first and second enzyme of pyrimidine nucleotide biosynthesis are controlled by allosteric regulation. Carbamyl phosphate synthase 2 is inhibited by UTP and purine nucleotide by activated by PRPP. Aspartate transcarbamylase is inhibited by CTP but activated by ATP. In addition, the first three and the last two enzymes of the pathway are regulated by coordinate repression and de-repression. The figure shows purine and pyrimidine biosynthesis parallel one another molecule for 1 mole, suggesting coordinated control of their biosynthesis. Several sites of cross-regulation characterize purine and pyrimidine nucleotide biosynthesis. The PRPP synthase reaction, which forms a precursor essential for both processes, is feedback inhibited by both purine and pyrimidine nucleotide. Injected nucleic acid are degraded to purine and pyrimidines. The new purines and pyrimidines are formed from amphibilic intermediate, thus are dietary non-essential. Nucleotide participate in wide variety of reactions in living cell, synthesis of DNA and RNA as constant of many coenzymes in the regulation of metabolic reactions. Purine nucleotides are synthesized in a series of reactions starting from ribose 5-phosphate, glycine, glutamine, aspartate, formate and carbon dioxide, contributing the synthesis of purine ring. Several reactions of AMP biosynthesis require folate derivatives and glutamine. Consequently, antifolate drugs and glutamine analog inhibit purine biosynthesis. Pyrimidine nucleotides are synthesized from the precursors of aspartate, glutamine and carbon dioxide besides ribose 5-phosphate. Orotic aciduria is a defect in pyrimidine synthesis caused by the deficiency of orotate phosphoribosyl transferase and OMP decarboxylase. Diet rich in uridine and cytidine is an effective treatment for orotic aciduria. Coordinated regulation of purine and pyrimidine nucleotide biosynthesis ensure their presence in proportion appropriate for nucleic acid biosynthesis and other metabolic needs.